3D Incubator is the European 3D printing incubator that will make your business project grow. If you believe your proposal is unique and it's related to 3D printing technology, new business models that will provide these solutions, corporate entrepreneurship for established companies, or industrial entrepreneurship, we want to hear from you. From the proposals we receive, the best 25 will be selected to be supported and accompanied during their development. Those chosen initiatives will have the opportunity to access spaces for incubation and training and network activities, technology services for printing parts, from design to production and post-production, professional advice from the consultants specializing in innovation and developing your business, certification services to guarantee the properties of printing parts, commercialization operations that will facilitate market entry. What resources will be available? Offices in the center of Barcelona with all amenities, laboratories with state-of-the-art technological equipment for 3D printing, up to 6 different printing technologies and the most powerful post-processing equipment on the market. Co-working spaces or private offices depending on your needs. Training and network areas. All of this managed by a team of professionals who will be at your disposal. Can you picture yourself working here? Consult the official announcement. We want to help.